HTML provides a lot of features to work with the images. Now we'll see something called image maps. This is how we define a image. So I have an image called desk.jpg. Now it's in the same folder as image map example.html. So that's why I don't give any folder names here. Okay, I'll explain what this is. So I say there is a map called deskmap and I'm asking it to use it. Now I have to define the map. And that's what I'm going to do here. So this map is to say that there are specific shapes here. So I'm actually trying to define specific shapes. So when I click on this image, it has to take me to a different URL. When I click on the monitor, it has to take me to a different URL, and for the laptop, it has to take me to a different URL. Now, let's see. So I'm gonna do a, so there's a rectangle. Okay. I have to give the coordinates of the rectangle. So I have to find the coordinates of this rectangle. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this in GIMP. If you are a Windows user, you can use Paint. I have to find the coordinates. What is a coordinate? See, this is, I mean, you have to look here. It will show the coordinates. See, this is the most top left corner would be 0, 0. So which says is 0 to 0. If you look at it, when I move to right, it is showing the width of it. So 270. And when I go down, it shows the height of it. So from here to here is 143. From here to here is 218 is what we see. Okay. So width and height, that's how, I mean, that's the order always for HTML. So we'll look for the coordinates here. So this is 272, 422. And this corner, because it is a rectangle. I mean, I have already mentioned that it is a rectangle. So when you say rectangle, rectangle can't go like this, this, and this. Rectangle should be straight. So when you just have to inform the right corner, which is 396, 488. href can be, there is a site called DxOMark. I'll just use this. DxOMark is quite popular for the camera standards. So now this what this map says is there is an area which is of shape rectangle which holds the coordinates this. So when you click on this, go to this site. Now see, when I move anywhere here, the mouse cursor doesn't change, but when I move at here, it shows like a hyperlink cursor. So when I click at it, it goes to DxOMark. Okay. We'll have another example for circle. Now circle is a bit different. For the circle, the coordinates we give has to be first for the center point, the center of it. Okay, we'll try circle for this. Okay, let's try this. Okay, the center part is 848, 146. 8, 146. Now circle itself is a different shape than rectangle. So I have told its center. Now I have to say its radius. Let's look at its radius. Now if you see the width part keeps changing, right? So I said 848, 146. From here to here, it's 848 and 894. So that's like 50, 46, right? I hope I'm right. So 46 is the radius. So meaning when I give area shape as circle and the coordinate is the circle center, it calculates 46 from here. So anywhere 46 from here, wherever you click, it will use this href. Now we have a moon. Okay, let's say we'll give this Wikipedia URL. I've refreshed it. So this still takes to camera. See, nowhere on the monitor it affects, but because I have just given this coordinates, I can even right click and open, or I can click and open. It's all the same because this is a link. Now the third would be a polygon. I'll tell you why there's a polygon effect. Polygon shape. For the rectangle, basically rectangle is like this, right? So rectangle won't go like that and that. So this point in this corner and that corner. So this corner and that corner, when you give for a rectangle, it can calculate the width based on this number. For the circle, obviously we gave the center and the radius. But what if I want to create a shape which actually works for the laptop? This, and see, this is a very irregular pattern, right? So this irregular pattern, how many dots we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So 6 coordinates we got. So what we'll do is we'll give the 6 coordinates. So this polygon will work for triangle and no matter how many sides you have. So if it is all the irregular shapes, it will take care of it. So 965, 206. And then 1148, 213. One one four three 413. 992 507. 836 468. Finally 959 383. So that's why not we give Apple Max website. Now instead of giving href, we could also give a local HTML file which is inside the folder. Like I could even give contact.html. So that will also work. See nowhere. So see exactly the laptop, the cursor changes. This map works well. When I click at it, goes to the Apple website. maybe it took some time because I took from the I took the sponsored promotion link. The sponsored promotion link might always take some time. So this works well. So image tag itself, it's not as simple as what you see. So this is what we've been looking at now. The image tag can also be used as a link, and the images can also be mapped to a certain coordinates and could lead to different areas. So that's what we saw now.